Today we're taking a look at the Arctic S8038-10K fans. These are some wild server grade fans in the 80mm variant, but these fans are actually 30mm deep and they spin all the way up to 10,000 RPM. Listen to that greatness for a second. Yeah, these fans can spin anywhere from 500 RPM all the way up to 10,000 RPM with a staggering maximum static pressure rating of 51mm to H2O. That's insane. At the max speed, Arctic rates these bad boys at about 102 CFM. I won't be installing these in my Unraid server because I have those P8 PWM COs in there, but in testing these fans on my desk, they're incredible. I was actually just enjoying listening to the sound of these things getting going and watching all of the stuff fly straight off of my desk. I had plugged these fans into an AC PWM adapter that puts them at full speed. As for the cable length on these, you're getting about 300mm, and the fans are rated to consume up to 1.3 amps, so just keep that in mind. Again, these are ultra performance 80mm server grade fans. These fans are warranted for about 6 years, and they can operate anywhere from -10C all the way up to 70C, which is really an excellent operating range. These are some solid, high quality powered fans, and generally speaking, if you need something like this, you know you need this. Arctic notes that these fans outperform various 80mm competitor fans, and after looking at these and testing them out, I believe it. The fans come with an optional dust cover, which is kind of nice, as well as some standard fan mounting screws. If you're into these and you want to pick up a set for your server, head down to the description and check out my affiliate link. I have a couple other home labby videos on the channel, so check those out, and until next time, stay cool.